Hi, Mark Guido here with Grand Adventure. I wanted to take a moment to depart from our usual video publication schedule to say to my friends, thank you. Thank you and you and you and you and you, because thanks to you folks, we hit the big 1K today. It's a milestone that we've been working hard for the past 7 months to achieve. We hit 1,000 subscribers. And folks, without you, without our subscribers, there would be no Grand Adventure on YouTube. You guys give us the motivation to keep pumping out these videos that you folks can enjoy. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. We've got a great summer planned. We have lots of grand adventures coming up. If you folks have friends or family of a like persuasion, share the videos, spread the love, share the channel, let them know about Grand Adventure so we can bring them along with us as well. So just a quick update this morning. Wanted to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for helping us achieve that 1,000 subscriber mark in, like I said, only 7 months of hard work, lots of expensive camera equipment, and frankly, a lot of fun playing in the great outdoors as well. Stay tuned to Grand Adventure for upcoming episodes, and I've said it a million times already, but one more time, thank you.